Hello everyone. So Hello everyone. So finally after a long duration I am back with a new video of different parks in Berlin, and one of the most beautiful park in Berlin right in the Kreuzberg is here Viktoriapark. The fall waterfall you are seeing here is artificial, made during the 1894 by the second king of Germany, Frederick William II. It was destroyed during the Second World War against France, but it was again reconstructed after 1925. And let's go up to the beginning of this waterfall. There we can see a beautiful church. So let's begin the journey from here. On my right you can see a beautiful city, and after a long walk for 30 or 40 minutes you can be in the right heart of the Berlin. So first let us go to the beginning of this waterfall. So as I come from Nepal, I am used of these rocks, so it's not so hard for me to climb, but for some of my friends find it so difficult because so isn't it a beautiful scenic view all? Let's move ahead. It's a little bit dangerous to walk through the waterfall because a little mistake can cause injury. So here you can see from here it's created the artificial waterfall. And it goes down. Although we have most of the waterfall, natural waterfall in our country Nepal, we are not able to maintain them properly. On my right you can see a monument which was built by Frederick William on his memory. So let me take you to the church. So here we reach the top of the hill, and from here we can see the origin of this waterfall and the beautiful cities. On the left we have the Iron Castle, built on the memory of Frederick William II after the Second World War. So here we reached the gate. After climbing so high, although I came from the mountain regions, but the habitat has been gone, and it's felt like I have already walked 16 kilometers. So this building here is built in the memory of Emperor of Germany, Frederick William II, after the Second World War, which was started against France. And from here you can see the beautiful city Berlin. So there you can see it's Fernseh room, the most attractive site for tourists. on my left. You can see that balloon hanging. That is one of the most reputed shopping center here in Berlin. Yeah. So after the water valley, I would like to take you to the wine garden, where people, after the tiredness of climbing, come here to relax, and the wine here is most common. So here you can see llamas. It's a small fall tree like structure. Beautiful. So we have much to cover. Let's go ahead. These barriers are made so that the bike riders and cycles cannot go in speed. So I'm also tired a little bit, so let me have some drinks here. I wanted to end the video with a good view, and for that I decided to sit right between the waterfall. Although I know it's a little bit dangerous, because due to the moisture the rocks are a little bit slippery. The rocks are more slippery than I thought. I should be more careful. And finally, it's a better place to sit. Don't forget to tell how you do like the videos, the upper monuments. The water is really cold here. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Let me touch the water once. It's very cold. Keep loving and liking the channel. Thank you. Bye bye.